Hi student. Today we have to start new chapter, that is chapter number 9, magnetic field due to electric current. Before start to learn this chapter, first of all, do you know that a magnetic field is produced around a current carrying conductor or wire? Means when a current flowing through any conductor or conducting wire, then due to flow of electric current, magnetic field is produced around that wire. This effect or phenomenon is known as magnetic field of an electric current. After to know the direction of magnetic field, do you know that right hand thumb rule? So, right hand thumb rule gives us direction of magnetic field. म्हणजेच मॅग्नेटिक फील्डची डायरेक्शन जर आपल्याला माहिती करायची असेल तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला राईट हँड थंब रूल माहिती असणं गरजेचं आहे. सो दिस राईट हँड थंब रूल गिव्स द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. दॅट इज व्हॉट इज द statement of right hand thumb rule? So statement of right hand thumb rule is take a wire which is a current carrying wire, we said it as a conductor, in the right hand in such a way that thumb is outstretched and we see thumb points the direction of current and all other curved fingers around the wire give the direction of magnetic field and our pointer gives the direction of electric field. That is the right hand thumb rule. And one more concept that is we have to know, which is solenoid. So students, solenoid is an arrangement in which a long insulated wire is wound in a close packed helix. That is solenoid. This diagram shows solenoid in which it is an arrangement where a long insulated wire is wound in a closely packed helix. Here a long insulated wire which is wound on a closely packed helix. This arrangement is known as solenoid. And we say that magnetic field of a current carrying solenoid is similar to that of bar magnet. And students, have you seen high tension power transmission wires? We said it as tower lines of electricity. The power lines on the big tall steel towers. In these tower lines, strong magnetic fields are created. Therefore, care has to be taken to reduce the exposure level to less than 0.5 milligauss. So student, what is milligauss? So milligauss is the, in electricity, a practical unit of magnetic induction equal to thousand of 1 gauss or 1 Cesius electromagnetic unit. Milligauss is the Cesius electromagnetic unit. It is the 1000 of Gauss. Gauss is the unit of magnetic field. So, in this chapter, you will be studying about the magnetic fields which are produced by an electric current. In this chapter, you will be studying how magnetic fields are produced by an electric current. First discovery of magnetic field Magnetic field due to flow of electric current through wire was by Ørsted. After Ørsted, other physicists Gauss, Henry, Faraday explained or showed that magnetic field is an important partner of electric field. But Maxwell's discovery or theory highlights the relationship between electric and magnetic fields. So, in our practical applications of day to day life, like electrical motors, generators, different communication systems, and computers, are the outcomes of this relationship given by Maxwell's theory. In electrostatics, we consider charges which are at rest position, that is static charges, but here we consider charges which are in motion. In 10th standard, you have already studied that magnetic needle is held in a close proximity of current carrying wire. Then it shows the direction of magnetic field circling around the wire. Imagine that a current carrying wire is grabbed with your right hand with the thumb pointing in the direction of current, then your fingers curl around in the direction of magnetic field. पहा स्टुडंट 10th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये पण पाहिलेलं आहे. इफ मॅग्नेटिक निडल इज हेल्ड इन अ क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी ऑफ करंट कॅरिंग वायर, म्हणजेच ज्यावेळेस आपण मॅग्नेटिक निडल करंट कॅरिंग वायरच्या जवळ धरणारे त्यावेळेस ती मॅग्नेटिक निडल डिफ्लेक्शन दाखवत असते. Why this deflection is produced? So this deflection is produced due to showing magnetic field is produced due to flow of electric current. हे डिफ्लेक्शन का पाहायला मिळतं आपल्याला, तर त्या फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंटमुळे त्या करंट कॅरिंग वायर भोवती मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस होते आणि ते मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड शो ऑफ करण्यासाठी मॅग्नेटिक निडल जी आहे ती काय होते, डिफ्लेक्ट होते. So students, this figure 10.2 gives us or shown right hand thumb rules condition. This figure shows right hand thumb rule condition in which we give the diagram for right hand thumb rule. In this diagram, if we take current carrying conductor in our right hand, in such a way that thumb is outstretched and other fingers is curl around that conductor. Then outstretched thumb gives the direction of electric current, flow of electric current, and curl fingers give the direction of magnetic field which is produced due to flow of electric current through that conductor. How can one account for the force on the neighboring current carrying wire? The magnetic field due to current in the wire first at any point on wire 2 is directed into the plane of the paper. The electrons flow in a direction opposite to the conventional current. Then the wire 2 experiences a force F bar towards wire 1. This figure 10.3 shows us the force on the neighboring current carrying wire. The magnetic field due to current in the wire first at any point on the wire 2 is directed into the plane of the paper. Then electrons flow in a direction opposite to the conventional current direction. Then the wire 2 experiences a force F bar towards wire 1. So student, we see